Today we bring you the top 5 killer Halloween recipes for a party to be remembered. Number 1. Bloody Mary syringes. You will need tomato juice, vodka, Worcestershire sauce, horseradish, Tabasco, lemon, and ground pepper. Preparation: in a large bowl, combine tomato juice, vodka, Worcestershire, horseradish, Tabasco, lemon and pepper. Fill syringes with mixture and chill. Serve cold. Number 2. Blood dripping cupcakes. Here's what you need: all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, instant coffee, eggs and buttermilk. Preparation: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Fill cupcake pan with liners and set aside. In a large bowl mix together flour, cocoa powder, instant coffee, eggs and buttermilk. Pour in 3/4 cup boiling water and beat until well combined. Fill cupcake liners until each cup is 2/3 full, then bake until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, 18 to 22 minutes. Remove from oven and transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. Assemble. Pipe frosting onto cupcakes. Pipe red gel onto cupcakes for a blood drip finish. Number 3. Brain Jello shot. You will need strawberry jello mix, whipped cream flavored vodka and frozen whipped topping. In a medium-sized saucepan, bring water to a boil. Once boiling, turn off heat and whisk in jello mix, stirring until thoroughly dissolved, 1 to 2 minutes. Add vodka flavored topping, whisking until combined. Let cool 5 to 6 minutes. Grease or spritz the brain mold with cooking spray, then pour in jello mixture. Place in the fridge overnight to set. Just before serving, fill a mixing bowl or casserole dish with warm water and gently dip the mold in the water for 20 seconds, without letting the water pour into the mold. The warm water will help loosen the jello from the mold, so it flips out easily. Flip it out onto a serving platter, then slice and serve. Number 4. Spiderweb cake. For this recipe you will need 1 box chocolate cake, unsalted butter, softened confectioner's sugar, marshmallow creme, vanilla extract, kosher salt, heavy cream, semi-sweet chocolate chips and vanilla icing. Butter and flour to 9 cake pans. Prepare cake batter according to package instructions. Bake according to package instructions and let cool. Once cool, place first cake on a platter. Make frosting. In a large bowl using a hand mixer, combine butter, confectioner's sugar, marshmallow creme, vanilla extract, and salt and beat until fluffy and combined. Top with second cake. Make ganache. In a small saucepan, heat heavy cream just until it bubbles. Place chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl and pour over heavy cream. Let stand 2 minutes, then whisk until chocolate is completely combined. Pour ganache over cake. Frost a spiral of frosting on top of ganache and use a toothpick to draw cobwebs. Your spiderweb cake is ready. Number 5. Ghost cookies. You will need vanilla flavored coating, cut into pieces, peanut butter filled sandwich cookies and miniature chocolate chips. Preparation: in small saucepan, melt candy coating over low heat, stirring constantly until smooth. 2-line cookie sheets with wax paper. Holding cookie with tongs, dip entire top and side of each cookie into melted coating, letting excess drip off. Lay flat, coated side up, on wax paper line cookie sheets. Place 2 chocolate chips in coating to form eyes. Let stand about 10 minutes until set. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And have a great Halloween.